Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this 2023 Ford Ranger and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before doing the installation on the headlight, and this is how it looks after the installation. So our tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. If you like the product, link for the product will be in the description below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before starting with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the headlight. So to prep it, just apply Slip Solution onto the lens, and with the clean microfiber towel, start removing all the contaminants that the headlight may have. Okay, so to start with the installation, just apply Slip Solution onto the headlight lens and then Slip Solution to the tint film. And all you need to do is just align the tint to this section of the film here. So make sure it's aligned there and you place it here. So align it right on the edge. Once we have it aligned, lift the film carefully and apply Tack Solution underneath and on top of the film. And this is just so we could tack down this section and work with the rest of the film. So make sure everything is still aligned and tack it down. So make sure this whole section is secured. So if it's not moving, you're good to go. Just make sure before you move on that there's no solution behind the film. So remove any water bubbles that are behind the film. And now we can focus on this side. So with this one, all you need to do is do a small stretch in order to reach this edge of the film to the corner edge of the headlight here. So to stretch it, grab your Slip Solution and apply it onto the headlight and on the back of the tint. Grab the film with both hands just to stretch the whole entire film. And all you need to do is a light stretch. It doesn't have to be too much, just as long as it reaches to the edge here. Once you have it towards the edge, we're going to lift the film carefully and start applying Tack Solution so the film can start tacking down. So hold it in position and start tacking down this whole section. Make sure you apply Tack Solution here first and then a squeegee to tack it down. And just help it tack down here, curve it down, and then continue on with the rest. Pretty simple here. Just make sure you help remove all the fingers, and that's pretty much it. And now just tack down the top as well. Make sure you don't leave any fingers here, so if you need to do a small stretch, you can. Just make sure there's no solution behind the film. And now all we need to do is seal the edges that are still lifting, for example here and on top. So just apply Tack Solution and heat to seal the edges. Okay, so apply Tack Solution here and anywhere else where you see fingers and the film wherever it's lifting. Grab your heat gun and start applying heat, and then with our squeegee we'll tack it down. Also, another method you can do to help tack down the piece faster is wrap your microfiber towel around your squeegee, and then this will help tack down the film faster by helping absorb any solution that's coming from behind the film. And you would just rinse and repeat until you remove all of the fingers, and then once you're done, the last step would be post-heating the whole film. And now we can move on to post-heating the film. So to post-heat, all you need to do is apply Tack Solution all over the film. And we're going to use our heat gun and a microfiber towel to heat up the adhesive on the film. And a microfiber towel will help us tack down the film and absorb any solution that's still coming from behind the film. And then once you're done with this step, you're done with the installation. Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the 2023 Ford Ranger. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.